Hi guys, so welcome back. So now we are looking at going into the light chamber with a lot of lights and say chatbot creations and all this stuff. So we're looking at here a tool called ChatFuel. So how do you find it? Head over to Google and type in chat. Just give me a minute. Type in ChatFuel, right? So it's going to show up. It's an amazing tool. It's the best bot platform for creating an AI chatbot for your Facebook or your website. So how do you do that? Head over to dashboard.chatfuel.com. Once you sign up, you'll be heading over there itself, right? Once you do that, so you can click on automate here, right? And then you can add, say adjust this time that you're going to see the chatbot typing, right? It's going to be a chatbot. It's going to reply automatically, right? So for on your Facebook page also, it replies automatically. So that's how you're programming. You're programming behavioral, say insights into the chatbot. Okay, so once you do that, head over to setup AI. And now, suppose you want the chatbot to tell something. Now, what is the artificial intelligence course all about? Suppose someone says similar something to this, then it replies with it is an amazing course that deals with AI website creation, and you're adding behavioral insights to the robot, right? So check out and sign up here, and then you can add the link, right? And once you do that, click on add AI rule. You'll be able to add more stuff. Suppose you can also make the chatbot say hello. If a user says hello, it says hello there. So that is how you program the chatbot. So these are all the preset questions, right? And then you can add a group also with the key phrases that corresponds to these bot replies, right? And then it's people in beta phase right now. So what is this about? You will be able to contact people who are already chatting with you on your Facebook page, right? And you can reach out to them through broadcast, and you'll be able to deliver a message now to all the people who have contacted you also, which comes under the Facebook policies and rules. You can also schedule your message anytime you want. Suppose you want to send a message out in the night, you can do that. Click on configure now, and you'll be able to create menus and all this stuff, and then you can invite other users and admins to create a chatbot for you, or your team member or someone like that. Then domain whitelisting, also you can add your own domains. Suppose you want to remove the branding, which is ChatFuel and all this stuff. So all this stuff is pretty good. Always change your time zone to wherever you are. Suppose you're in say Baker Island, change it to Baker Island. Don't forget that. So I'm in India, so I'll have to look at where is India here. Give me a minute. So I'll have to look at that, and I'll have to choose India. Just give me one sec. So I'll have to look at that and choose India. I'm not able to find it right now. If you're able to find it, it's pretty good. So you can do that, and once it's done, you'll be able to add the extension also. So you'll be able to run visit to sell payments or products or services right from Facebook. You can do that. Chatbot will be able to become a Shopify of its own to sell products to people who are chatting with your chatbot. And for analytics, you can always check out analyze and grow and all this stuff. You will find out how many people are analyzing the daily users, the new users, the user activities, who are the active users, and all this stuff is pretty good. You can also check out user retention, like how many people are actually chatting with somebody has messaged me this, and all this stuff is also possible. Also, you can also use third-party analytics to connect a third-party tool, something like Zapier, kind of tool where you connect different kind of apps together. Also, Zapier was one, ZAPIER. Google that today. And then this is about chatbot. Now I want to test this chatbot. Click on test this chatbot. View on messenger.com. Right, we're testing this chatbot, right? So what are the messages? Can we check? Set up AI. So I'll have to type in how is this course different, right? So, and it should throw up a message like this is India's first AI powered course. So let's see. Continue as Srinidhi Ranganathan. This is for testing purposes. Now let's see what it says, right? It's going to program the things that we taught to her or him, the chatbot, right? Now, what is the question again? Can you check? How is this course different? So type in how is this course different. Now it should throw up something saying that it is India's first. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, here we go. This is India's first AI powered digital marketing program, which is the USP. Amazing stuff, right? So that is how you will be able to create a chatbot on your own. Just head over to chatfuel.com and create a chatbot. And you can also, there is an option here that you can add it to a website. That is what I was able to tell you. So you can, I think it's in, just give me a minute. It's a new option that they have come there to raise. Yeah, this is the one. Why every business should embed a messenger bot on the website. You should read that blog over there, and then you should be able to, configure chatbot on your website too. So once you do that, you'll be getting, some kind of a code, and once that code is configured, right, you'll be able to connect it to your website, which is pretty cool. You can also add videos over here that you can send and all the stuff. So I hope you're enjoying this amazing course. So you'll have to test it out on your own. So ChatFuel, I have told you all the highlights of what this is about. There are more stuff here inside, so maybe I'll be able